My name is Nikola Bozidarevic and I work in Johnson Electric Nis. My career started here in 2015 in position as maintenance technician. That time I got a great chance to be involved in special team. Our main task was to transfer production lines from China to Nis. During my staying in China, we had a great opportunity to work, live with great people, from top management to engineers and also with technicians. All of them shared great experience and knowledge with us. After that, we established successful startup production here in Nis. I graduated and got promoted to process engineer. Next chapter and biggest challenge was my involvement in AS production lines. It was very hard in the beginning because the product itself is very complex, so also production line and machines. With great knowledge and experience from whole process engineering team, we successfully established stable serial production. As JE Nis grew from 2015 with 350 employees to today with more than 2,000 employees, my knowledge, experience, work ethic raised to that level that was unknown to me as a young engineering student. Remarkable people, mentorship, tons of knowledge, dynamic environment, genius practical solutions, and strong leadership is what makes JE Nis a great place to work. You want to be a part of it? Great decision.